let us enumerate and describe the preventive protocols that would guide avoiding caries. These protocols are essentials for maintaining good oral health and reducing the risk of dental caries. It is recommended to consult with a dental professional for personalized advice and treatment options. First, fluoride-based prevention. Daily fluoride toothpaste. Brush twice a day with fluoride toothpaste. 100 to 1000 to 1500 ppm for adults. Appropriate strength for children. And fluoride strengthens enamel and promotes remineralization. Professional fluoride treatments. Varnishes, gels, or foams applied by dental professionals at regular visits, and particularly useful for people at high risk of caries. Second, effective oral hygiene. Proper brushing technique. Use a soft bristle brush angled toward the gum line. Brush for at least 2 minutes and remove plaque which contains acid-producing bacteria. Daily flossing or interdental cleaning. Cleanse between teeth where toothbrushes cannot reach, and to prevent decay in interproximal between tooth areas. Antimicrobial mouth rinses, and that is when needed. Chlorhexidine or essential oil rinses can reduce harmful bacteria, often recommended for high-risk individuals. Thirdly, dietary protocols. Limiting sugar intake. Reduce frequency and amount of sugary foods, drinks, especially between meals, because bacteria convert sugars into acids that demineralize enamel. Avoiding sticky or slowly dissolving sweets like candies, caramels, dried fruits, and mints dissolve slowly and extend acid attack. Choosing tooth-friendly snacks like cheese, nuts, crunchy vegetables, and whole fruits stimulate saliva and don't promote decay. Drinking water often will help wash away food particles and dilute acids, and fluoridated water provides additional protection. Fourth, saliva promoting measures like hydration. Adequate water intake helps maintain saliva flow, which protects enamel. Sugar-free gum, like chewing xylitol gum, increases saliva and can inhibit decay, causing bacteria. Managing dry mouth. Address medication-induced xerostomia and use saliva substitute if needed. Fifth, protective dental treatments like dental sealants, resin coating applied to chewing surfaces of molars and premolars. Physically block bacteria from entering grooves where decay often begins. Early preventive visits, regular dental checkups for early detection and preventative advice. 6. Risk assessment and personalized care. Caries risk assessment tools. Dentists evaluate diet hygiene, fluoride exposure, saliva flow, and past caries. Customized prevention plans, like high-risk individuals may need more frequent cleaning, fluoride, or antibacterial treatments. Seventh, lifestyle and habit protocols. Avoid tobacco, like smoking and smokeless tobacco reduce saliva and increase bacterial load. Proper infants feeding practices. Avoiding putting infants to bed with bottles of milk or juice. And begin cleaning infants' gums early and introduce brushing as soon as teeth erupt. 8. And the last, education on behavioral strategies. Consistent hygiene routine. Establish fixed times for brushing and flossing. And then awareness of early signs like white spots, sensitivity, or rough surfaces may indicate early decay. Intervention can reverse it. Therefore, preventing caries relies on simple yet consistent habits that work together to protect oral health. By maintaining good hygiene, making mindful dietary choices, and using fluoride effectively, individuals can significantly reduce the risk of decay. These preventive protocols not only safeguard the teeth but also promote long-term well-being, emphasizing that small daily actions can lead to lasting dental health. Thank you.